Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use tagging in OneNote for Windows 10. Tags are a powerful way to organize your notes, highlight important information, and keep track of tasks all in one place. Let's walk through how to get this set up. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. This is the main workspace where all your notes and sections are stored. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific notebook page where you'd like to add tagging. This could be a meeting notes page, a project outline, or any page where you want to categorize and prioritize information. Now look at the top part of your screen where your menus and tools are located. From here, click on Home. This is where all your formatting tools are housed, including text styling, bullets, and of course, tagging options. The Home tab is your go-to spot for most editing and organizational features in OneNote. From the Home menu, look for the Insert Tag menu. You'll recognize it by the checkbox icon that has a star beneath it. Click on this icon and the menu will expand to reveal all the tagging options available to you. You'll see a variety of useful tags like a to-do checklist, important reminder, a question mark, and various other elements you can use to mark up your notes. These tags are designed to help you quickly identify what needs attention, what's urgent, and what requires follow-up. Now, to use any of these tags, simply highlight the text or task you wish to add it to. Once your text is selected, click on the tag you want to use from the expanded menu. You'll immediately see the tag being added to your text or task, making it visually distinct and easier to spot when you're reviewing your notes later. This is especially helpful when you're working with long documents or managing multiple projects at once. And that's it. You've now learned how to use tagging in OneNote for Windows 10 to keep your notes organized and actionable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.